Okay, so you now fully understand that in order to build a successful affiliate store, you need to build it around a niche and then to add value for your customer. So that begs the question, what is going to be your niche? And this next section is going to be all about how to choose your niche. And this is an area where people often get stuck. You know, they can get stuck for hours, days, weeks, or maybe even months in extreme cases, going round and round and try to figure out what it is they're actually going to do. Sometimes referred to as analysis paralysis. Now, in order to break that and get you choosing your niche in no time at all, which is exactly what we're going to do here, I choose niches around my interests. I always have done, and I've always found it to be extremely effective. And that's what we're going to do here. But why is it so important to build a niche or a business around your interests? Well, first of all, you will be naturally motivated, yeah? Business is good and it's difficult, and you have everything in between. And natural motivation pulls you through the whole process as you build out a real business. Market research is going to be so much easier. It's going to be a lot easier to understand your ideal customer, right? If it's based around your interests. And because you understand the needs of your target customer, your marketing efforts, etc., are going to be a lot more effective. And you know what you're talking about, so your customers will trust you. That's going to come across as you add value to your site, and you'll get repeat business, which, as I put here, is a lot easier than new business. And last but not least, making money will be much easier and a lot more fun. So there we go. Focusing on interest is enormously powerful in my opinion, and has worked extremely well for me over the years. So let's go ahead and pick out what your interests are and then identify a great niche for you.